Woke up yesterday and the tire looked a little low, and sure enough, as the day went on, the tire got lower and lower, and then luckily it was a slow leak. I found a little nail in the tire, took it over to Pro Tire Shop, and they pulled out a little spike that was in the tire with a slow leak, so had another plug put in. I think that tire has about 3 or 4 plugs now. But still going strong. Still has plenty of tread, so I hate to throw it away. And they don't charge me for plugs, so which is good. Anyway, we're going to try to finish up that job today. We got took down 2 trees. I got 1 more tree to take down and a bunch of cleanup. So, and then the neighbor wants some trimming done. So I'm gonna get a late start today because the tire and a few other things I have to do an estimate, and it rained again, so getting held up again. We're gonna have to get a late start, but that's why yesterday I did extra work and took down another tree. That way, kind of give us a head start on today, because I always try to do a little extra if I can. That way, when we get to the job site, the guys can start hauling everything to the road and clean it up, and then I can start another project. I can start cutting another tree down while they're cleaning up the mess from yesterday. So anyway, it is Wednesday, so Thursday got a meeting in the morning, and then hopefully we can get everything done by Friday. True life.